Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick little tour of our hotel room. We just got here to Vegas today and we are staying at the Virgin Hotels. So this is the room that we got. So you can see the door behind me. Let me flip the camera. Okay, so then you have the mirror right here. And then here is a door to the room. So you can close it if somebody wants to get ready here. So we have the storage area right here. There's storage on top. And then you also have this drawer right here. And then extra storage down here. And then you also have the curtains. So you can close it like that. And then over here is like a little vanity area. So you can turn the lights on and off. It has extra charging ports as well as regular plugs for like straighteners, curlers. And then these can close like that. So it's got a cool little retro vibe. And then here is the restroom. It's got so much lighting in here. The lighting is really good in here. And then extra charging stations along with the actual plugs. And it also has the mirror on the door. And it's a smaller shower, but it's still really nice. So then when you come out of here and you get back to this door, and then you have the little TV area. Here's the TV stand, and then it comes with little snacks and stuff. Of course, you have to pay for all of those, and it comes with the fridge. Of course, we never touch that. So then it has 2 trash cans, this cool little lamp here, extra plugs over there, and then here we have like this huge window, but if you look out, it's of like the top of the building, like there's no view whatsoever, so that kind of sucks. And then the bed's kind of cool. It's got like, again, a little retro vibe. There's a table, seating area, and then you also have these little reading lamps. So, and these are on either side. So this is a little tour of our room. And then there's more charging stations. It has a lot of charging stations. And then right here you can do all the lighting for the room. So that's nice. And then these little art pieces here. So that's a little tour of our hotel room here at the Virgin Hotel. It's our first time staying here. Usually we stay at the Aria, but we wanted to try something different this time. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. That way you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And yeah, so I will start the vlog after this. I'm gonna go downstairs and we're gonna grab dinner. So we'll see you guys in the next video.